The Highline IP68 single color connector is available in 10mm and 12mm. So with this connector, you will not have to peel off any of the coating of the IP68 strip that you may be using. You just need to make sure to leave enough copper when making the cut on the LED strip itself. This will allow the pins on the connector to pierce through the PCB without damaging any chip. You can then carefully slide the strip into the transparent cover and then grab the connector and close it on top of the cover. You can use a set of pliers to firmly close the connector. Then once you've done that, the connector will be ready to use. Don't forget to click on the like button if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you want more information, you can visit our website highlightlighting.co.uk and follow us on our Twitter and Instagram page to remain up to date with latest news. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.